Describe a time when you used a dictionary. I often use a dictionary at school. Last week, I used my English dictionary to find new words. I looked for the word beautiful. The dictionary showed me the meaning and example. It helped me understand the word. I felt happy because I could read and learn more. Using a dictionary is very useful for me. Do you often use a dictionary at school?
Yes, I often use a dictionary at school.
When did you use a dictionary last week?
Last week, I used my English dictionary.
What word did you look for?
I looked for the word beautiful.
What did the dictionary show you?
It showed me the meaning and example.
How did it help you?
It helped me understand the word.
How did you feel?
I felt happy.
Why do you think using a dictionary is good?
Because it is very useful for me.